If you're looking for ways to get creative with your presentation, I've been discussing in my last few videos how you can do that using your slides. Slides are often possibly the antithesis of creativity, but actually you really can go to town. One of the ways that I think you can bring your slides to life, and thus your presentation to life, is using moving images. Now, I've talked in a previous video about using photographs, but videos can work really well. GIFs, or GIFs, to say it correctly, can also work really well. Anything that you can use, like a meme, if you've seen a video clip, as long as you can have the copyright to use it, and that is important, it can really add to your presentation. I will quite often start a presentation with a video, and I might not even come on and introduce it. I will just hit click to play using my clicker, so the video starts automatically and it just grabs an audience's attention. Or I might just walk on, stand next to the screen and say, before I start, watch this, and play a video. So videos are engaging, we all love watching them. Moving images generally are good. So if you can find an animation, if you can find a GIF, you can find something that actually moves, it just pulls an audience's attention in. If you think about if you're in a pub, let's say, or a bar or a cafe, and there's a TV on in the corner, your eye is almost irrevocably drawn to it because the moving image really does hold us. So if you can use that in your presentation, do. Now, say you need to find copyright, you need to make sure you have copyright to use video, so shoot your own. We all have a camera in our pocket these days, so shoot video that you could then use in your presentation. Think about what you could use to illustrate a point you want to make and set out to shoot that video. It doesn't have to be a studio quality, short and sharp, something that people will really enjoy watching and engage with, I think will really help to bring your presentation to life. And let's face it, that's what it's all about, because you want people to listen, to remember, and act upon what you've said. While you're here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post new video content. And if you want to sign up for my newsletter, you will find the description in the box below. Hope that helps. See you next time.